What made me want to be at Cross Pacifica was just seeing the guys and how active they were, and just the sobriety that they had. It was something that was really inspiring. I definitely wanted what they had.
In recovery, it's all about having fun and getting to do the things that you love to do. If you're not having fun in sobriety, you're probably just going to get loaded again.
My family's back in my life. I get to be active, go to the gym, skateboard, go surfing, and now I actually have brothers that have my back. They actually truly do care about me and will help me out whenever I need it. And that's something I never really got to experience before. And it's definitely a good feeling knowing that you have people looking out for you and people who truly care about you.
This is a home where people want to recover, achieve their goals, and flourish in life. And we can give them all the tools they need to achieve that.